If you want to speed up your Lightroom workflow and save time on every import, creating a metadata preset is one of the best things you can do. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a metadata preset in Lightroom Classic, step by step, and then how to apply it during import so your copyright and contact details can be added automatically. This is a great way to stay organized, protect your work, and make sure every photo you export starts with the right information attached. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Lightroom tips and editing workflows. Alright, let's jump into Lightroom Classic and get started. First, open Adobe Lightroom Classic and go to the Library module. You'll want to be in the Library module because that's where Lightroom gives you access to the metadata controls and import workflow tools we need for this process. Once you're in Library, look over to the right side of the screen and find the Metadata panel. If the panel isn't already expanded, click the arrow next to it to open it up. Inside the Metadata panel, look for the Preset drop-down menu. This is where Lightroom stores your saved metadata templates. Click the drop-down and choose Edit Presets. This will open the Metadata Preset Editor, where you can build a custom preset that includes the information you want Lightroom to apply automatically. Now it's time to enter your details. You can add information like your name, copyright notice, website, email address, or any other fields that make sense for your workflow. The idea here is to create a preset that consistently tags your images with your professional information, so you don't have to type it in manually every single time. Take your time here and make sure the details are accurate, because this information can be attached to every photo you import using this preset. Once everything is filled out the way you want, click Save as New Preset. Lightroom will ask you to name the preset, so choose something clear and easy to recognize, like your name or your business name. After you save it, that metadata preset will now appear in your preset list and be ready to use whenever you need it. Now let's go one step further and apply that preset during import. This is where the real time-saving benefit comes in. To do that, open the import dialog in Lightroom Classic. You can do this by clicking the import button and bringing in the photos you want to add to your catalog. Once the import screen opens, look at the right panel and find the Apply During Import section. This panel controls a few important settings that Lightroom can apply automatically while your images are being imported. In that section, find the Metadata option and open the drop-down menu. From the list, select the metadata preset you just created. Once that preset is selected, Lightroom will apply it to every photo you import as part of that batch. That means your copyright, website, and other details will be added automatically without any extra work after import. Before you finish, double check that the correct preset is selected so you don't accidentally apply the wrong information. This is especially important if you manage multiple brands, clients, or websites. After that, continue with your import as usual, and Lightroom will handle the rest. And that's it. You've now created a metadata preset in Lightroom Classic and learned how to apply it during import. This is a simple setup, but it can save you a lot of time and help keep your images organized and protected from the very beginning. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials, and let me know in the comments what workflow you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.